Hi friends, welcome to today's video. So today we are going to see etymology based vocabulary 10th video. Our first word is taciturn. So taciturn is derived from the root word tacere. So tacere means to be silent. Okay. So taciturn is derived from the root word tacere, which means to be silent. So what will be the meaning of the word taciturn? Taciturn will be habitually silent, uncommunicative, aloof, antisocial, quiet, reserved, laconic. So these are the different synonyms for the word taciturn. It's a very important word. Normally antonyms will be asked for the word loquacious. So this taciturn will be there in the choices given. So loquacious, antonym is taciturn. Taciturn is uncommunicative, aloof, quiet, reserved, and laconic is also another word which is having the same meaning like uncommunicative, aloof, and antisocial. So tacere is the root word which means to be silent. So laconic, short, to the point, brief, brusque, succinct, terse, crisp, concise, short, and sweet. So these are the different synonyms. You can be very well familiar with all these words: succinct, terse. Terse is also having the same meaning as laconic, taciturn. All these are having the same meaning. In short, to the point, or speaking briefly. So that is the meaning. Tacit. So tacit also from the root word tacere. So tacit, taciturn, everything is having almost the same meaning. So tacit means silent, unspoken, suggested, understood, not said aloud, assumed, implicit or inferred, unsaid, unexpressed. It was a tacit clue. So it was an unspoken clue, or it was an implicit clue, or it was an assumed clue. So that is tacit, to infer something or to suggest something, silently suggesting something. So that is tacit. Reticence. So reticence is again re plus tacere. You can just split reticence as re plus tacere. So which means again silent. Literally we can say again silent. So reticence is again silence, hesitation, restraint, shyness, and reserve. So very important: taciturn, laconic, terse, tacit, all these words are very important. So taciturn, reticence, laconic, be clear with these words. Now let's go to another root word, cyno. So cyno is derived from the root word quan, which means dog. So cyno means dog mainly. So what is cynosure? So cynosure is derived from the root word cynosura, which is again derived from the root words quan and ora, which means dog's tail. So cynosure was the old name of our Ursa Minor constellation. Ursa Minor constellation had the shape of a dog's tail. Ursa Minor constellation was earlier known as cynosure because of its shape. It was looking like a dog's tail, so the name cynosure came. But now the word cynosure means something that strongly attracts attention and admiration. So constellation was something that attracted admiration, that attracted attention. So from that, cynosure came to be known as something that strongly attracts attention and admiration. VIP. A VIP we can say cynosure. He is a cynosure. So he is a VIP. He is a dignitary or a famous person, superstar, big wig, big shot, big name. When you read novels and all, you will be coming across this word cynosure. So it means he is a big shot, or he is a superstar, he is a famous person, or he is something that strongly attracts attention and admiration. Then cynosure of all eyes. Such a phrase itself is there, which means the focus of everybody's attraction. When she came into the room, she was the cynosure of all eyes. So all the eyes were fixed on her, or she was the focus of everybody's attraction. Now more cyno words. Cynocephalic. Cephalic we had already seen. Cephalic means head. It has something to do with head. So cynocephalic means having a head like a dog. We had seen megacephalic means having a large head. So cynocephalic means, cyno is standing for dog, cynocephalic is having a head like a dog. Synanthropy. Synanthropy is a form of madness in which the afflicted imagines himself to be a dog. Anthropy. Anthropos has something to do with mankind. So a human is imagining himself to be a dog. That is synanthropy. It's a kind of madness in which the afflicted imagines himself to be a dog. Sinologist. Sinologist is a person who has specialized in the care and training of dogs. It is very evident, cynologist from the root word cyno means dog. So cynologist is a person who takes care of dogs. He has specialized in dogs. Cynophile. Cynophile is a person who has love for dogs. We already have seen the video. Phile means love. Bibliophile. Bibliophile means a person who loves books. Similarly, cynophile is a person who loves dog, a dog lover or a person who loves canines. Cynophobia. Cynophobia will be fear of dogs. Phobia is fear and phile is love. So cynophobia is fear of dogs and cynophile is the love for dogs. Now other word we are going to see is brevity. Brevity is derived from the root word brevis, which means short. So brevity is also standing for shortness, briefness, conciseness, crispness, succinctness, terseness, condensation. All these words can be the synonyms of brevity. So brevity is short or shortness, briefness, it is a noun. Okay, so conciseness, brevity. Now breviary. Breviary is abridgment, summary, synopsis, abstract, consolidation, essence. So you can say submit the breviary of the book. So instead of telling summary, you can use the word breviary. So breviary means summary. So breviary is derived from the root word brevis, which means short. So if you can remember brevis, short means you can easily remember brevity and breviary. Brevilocent. Many words related to the short word loque we had already seen in a video. Loquacious, grandiloquent, magniloquent, pompous, all such meanings will come. So brevilocent is also have something to do with speaking shortly. Brevis plus loque. That means speaking briefly or brief, laconic. So brevilocent is also a synonym for laconic, abrupt, brief, laconic, short spoken, terse, blunt, direct, outspoken. Even for outspoken and direct also we will be using the synonym brevilocent. So mainly we focused on 3 root words in this video. Tacer, which means to be silent. From there we got the words taciturn, tacit, reticent. Then we saw the root word cyno, which means dog, the cynosure of all eyes, cynocephalic, cynosure, cynophile, cynophobia. So these kind of words we saw. Then brevis, which means short. So brevilocent, brevity and breviary. Thank you for watching. For more aptitude, logical reasoning and vocabulary videos, please subscribe to our channel.